Well, let's start the car, Greg. Start the car, Greg, let's go.
I'm trying to.
What's wrong?
It won't start.
Everybody, the big red car won't start. What are we going to do without the big red car?
Yeah, how do people get around in the bush without a car?
I don't know. How do people get around in the bush, everyone, without a car? I mean, you need a... Hey, wiggle! Ahoy there, Camels! Camels!
Wobbly camel walking by.
Wow, a camel!
Padded hoofs and hooded eyes.
Look at those eyes!
A bendy neck and a long tail.
Whoa, what a neck!
It's headed out on the desert trail.
Take a camel for a ride.
In the saddle riding high.
Bouncing up and bouncing down.
Oh, it's so bouncy!
The camel makes a rumbly sound.
Rumbling away!
From Abu Dhabi to Australia.
Ooh,
In the desert, the camel, it won't fail ya. They can go without a drink.
I'm getting thirsty.
For days and days, what do you think?
Days and days.
Where they live, it's really sunny.
Oh, it's so hot!
They never bite, so they smell funny.
The tail swish the flies away.
What a way to spend the day.
Bouncing up and bouncing down.
They're still bouncy.
The camel makes a rumbly sound.
Oh, what a lovely sound.
From Abu Dhabi to Australia. In the desert, the camel, it won't fail ya. Wobbly camel walking by.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
With padded hoofs and hooded eyes.
Oh, look at him go.
A bendy neck and a long tail.
What a great tail.
It's headed out on the desert trail.
Great idea.
Take a camel for a ride.
In the saddle riding high.
Bouncing up and bouncing down.
Bouncy, bouncy.
The camel makes a rumbly sound.